Gutters first, Ninja Ed made it. They think I'm crazy, maybe I am. Roof on my boots, hope plenty in my hands. Show imprudent, they get quiet. Mine too fast, they can't deny it. They think I'm crazy, maybe I am. Building big thoughts with a gutter membrane. Need more tools, I already got vision. Brain so loaded, I'm on a mission. No YouTube, no slow class. Learn it quick, then it all sticks fast. Matrix downloads in my brain. Only thing left is the tools in range. AI with me, now it's up. Turn a small idea to a shuttle launch. Ninja Ed Media, plus. But I stamp gutters first on the truck. Tradesmen always act like you green till you touch it and keep it clean. If they don't know you, they talk real loud and you show improve and shut it down. I learn quick, maybe too quick. 2-day run and I got the script. Everything stored in a mental drive. I don't need 10 visits to feel alive. Hardest part ain't what I know. Hardest part is what tools I own. Could build a plane if the shop was mine. Got the blueprint living in my mind. Maybe a ship with AI now. Talk too big, they ask me how. I just think in systems, stack by stack. See the whole board, front to back. They think I'm crazy, maybe I am. Roof on my boots, whole pen in my hand. Showing prudent, they get quiet. Mine too fast, they can't deny it. I'm crazy, maybe I am. Building big thoughts with a gutter membrane. Need more tools, I already got vision. Brain so loaded, I'm on a mission. No YouTube, no slow class. Learn it quick, then it all sticks fast. Matrix downloads in my brain. Only thing left is the tools in range. AI with me, now it's up. Turn a small idea to a shuttle launch. Ninja Ed Media, plus. But I stamp gutters first on the truck. Back in 2017, no Wi-Fi. Now I build systems, digitally. Architecture living in the air. People look once like that boy weird. Next door hate, TikTok too. See you make cash, now they watch your moves. YouTube, still YouTube, let it ride. Algorithm games, I can bend that tide. They gave it AI bad move. Now the whole machine got attitude. Real intelligence in the flesh. Science guy thoughts with a roofline edge. Born in the 80s, built to think. Always been deeper than what they think. Now they say crazy when I speak. Then copy the sauce the following week. Need the tools, got the brain. Need the parts, got the frame. Need the budget, got the plan. Need the shop, I'm the man. Show and prove, stay alive. Build it once, then multiply. Gutters first, media too. Whole big vision breaking through. They think I'm crazy, maybe I am. Roof on my boots, whole plan in my hand. Show and prove, then they get quiet. Mine too fast, they can't deny. They think I'm crazy, maybe I am. Building big thoughts with a gutter membrane. Need more tools, already got vision. Brain so loaded, I'm on a mission. Ninja, I'm crazy. Ninja, I'm crazy. Ninja, I'm crazy. Maybe I am. Baby, I am. Mind on the spaceship, boots on the shingles. AI in my hand. Now the whole thing different. Feels like Elon in a gutter truck. Big ideas and I don't let up. If they don't get it, I don't care. I'm from the roof, but my mind go there. Gutters first, Ninja Ed made it. Gutters first, Ninja Ed made it.